Yeah, so welcome to Maths with Ish again. Now today we're going to look at how to divide surds, okay? So we're looking at division of surds. Now for you to divide surd, this is the rule you must follow. The rule says root A over root B is equal to root A over B, which means that all you have to do is to put them in a single radical, just as we did for multiplication. Okay, so another concept that is very important in division of surd is what we call rationalization. Okay, now what is rationalization? It is simply the process of transforming the denominator of a surd into a rational number, because you can see here that the denominator here is a surd. Okay, now what can you see at the end product here? It is now a rational value here. The root sign is no longer there. So how do we rationalize? We rationalize by using that same surd to multiply both the numerator and denominator. You can see that this root m is now multiplying this numerator here, and it's also multiplying the denominator. You can see that. So that is how to rationalize. So please take note of that. So this is a very important concept in division of surds. We are going to be using it most of the time. So now let's look at the first example. The first example says simplify root 3 over, let's mark this, root 3 over root 15. Now you can see that this is in this form, so I'm simply going to apply the rule. So the rule simply says we should do what? We should put them together in one radical, so the numbers inside will be dividing themselves. So that will give us 3 that will give us root 1 over, because 3 here is 1, 3 here is what? Is 5. And that will give me square root of 1 is still 1, and then root 5. Now you can see that my final answer is 1 over root 5. Now, but we are going to rationalize now because our denominator is a surd. So we don't want the denominator to be a surd, so we are going to rationalize by multiplying this numerator by root 5 and then multiplying this denominator by root 5 as well. And when you do that, you're going to have root 5 all over root 5 times root 5 is 5. So that is how to apply our rationalization. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Let me solve the second one here. The second one says what? It says 3 over root 5. So this one, we cannot apply this rule yet because this one does not have a radical at the numerator. So we are simply going to rationalize. Remember, I said that to rationalize simply means that you should multiply the numerator by the surd at the denominator. So use this same surd at the denominator, multiply both numerator and denominator. That's what we are doing here. So 3 times this, 3 root 5. Root 5 times root 5, that is what? 5. And this is my solution. So let's look at this, our solution 2. Let's look at the last one. Our last one there is what? Is 2 over 5 root 6. The same thing too. It's not in this pattern, so we cannot apply this rule. So all we have to do now is to do what? Is to rationalize. Remember, whenever there is a surd at the denominator, please always rationalize. Is that clear? So let's go 2 over 5 root 6. We are going to use this surd here times the numerator and then times the denominator. So that is just a simply process of rationalization. It's very easy. So that will give us 2 root 6. That will give us 2 root 6. So we can see that over. Then we're going to have 5 root 6 times root 6. That's 6. And then my answer is 2 root 6 all over 30. And we can then simplify this. 2 can cancel this and cancel this, so that will give us, our final answer becomes root 6 all over 15, because 2 cancel 30 will give us 15. So this is our final answer. I hope you've gained value. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.